everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you this quick and easy sweet chili wings recipe. It is really good, guys. I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. Remember to comment, like and subscribe if you haven't. So first of all, I have my already washed chicken. It's washed and everything is clean, and I'm just going to season it with some curry powder, some chicken seasoning, some garlic, some onion powder, some Suya pepper, some smoked paprika. Feel free to add any more kind of like hot pepper to it if you want. It's up to you. And I'm using some oregano as well. Feel free to use some thyme or any other thing that you want, but I just wanted to keep it a little bit simple, if that makes sense. And then I'm just going to mix and then set these on a tray to bake in the oven. So before popping it into the oven, I did spray it a little with some oil, but I did this behind the camera. I'm just going to bake it for about 40 minutes, and after 40 minutes it looks like this, and I'm just taking it out of the tray so I can put it in a bowl. And then I'm adding some sweet chili sauce to it. You don't need a lot, but I really like my chicken marinated, like fully marinated in the sweet chili, so I use a lot. And I'm adding extra hot chili just because it's nice. I like the combo that I get. I like the taste that I get when I mix these two together. Feel free to skip the hot chili or add any more kind of like sauce you want. After mixing it properly, you're just going to transfer it back onto the same paper, or you can change the paper on the tray and arrange it properly. So now I'm putting all of the chicken wings together so they can share the sauce, kind of. Feel free to add any more sauce if you want more. And I'm just going to put this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. You don't want it to burn or anything. You just need to like just cook in the juice that you just added to it. And then you can add some more when you're done. But I add some sesame seeds as well to it just to make it look nice, and it was so good, guys. It was yummy. So like I said, this was a very easy and quick recipe. I really hope you try it because you're going to love it. It is really delicious. But thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. Also share this video with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.